In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate WhatsApp with Zoho Books, providing you with a streamlined communication channel directly through your accounting software. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll need to head over to Zoho Books. If this is your first time, simply open your preferred web browser and type Zoho Books into the search bar. Once you've done that, click on the link to take you directly to the platform. If you already have a Zoho account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is a pretty straightforward process. Just follow the prompts, fill in the required details, and you'll be set up in no time. Now, once you're logged into Zoho Books, you're going to direct your attention to the menu options, and specifically, you want to find the Settings tab. You'll usually find this in the top right corner of your dashboard, represented by either a gear icon or a drop-down menu that spells out Settings. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options, allowing you to fine-tune different features to your liking. Within the Settings menu, direct your focus to the WhatsApp option. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on WhatsApp will lead you to the Integration Setup page. Once here, you'll likely be prompted to sign in to your WhatsApp account. Remember, your WhatsApp must be set up with a business account if you're using it for professional purposes. It's a good idea to have your phone handy, as WhatsApp often requires a QR code scan to verify your account and complete the integration process. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your WhatsApp with Zoho Books. It's as simple as scanning a QR code or entering a verification code. Just make sure everything is set as per the guidance given. This connection will unify your communications, making it easier to manage client interactions directly from Zoho Books without hopping between different apps. And there you have it. Your WhatsApp is now successfully connected to your Zoho Books account. This setup not only helps you integrate real-time communication with clients, but also aids in maintaining a cohesive workflow, as all messages will be accessible through one platform. To wrap things up, go over your settings one last time to ensure everything is functioning properly. You want to check that your messages are syncing as they should and that notifications are turned on to stay updated without any hitches. And just like that, you're done. You've elevated your Zoho Books experience by bringing in WhatsApp, offering a more connected, efficient, and seamless communication portal for all your accounting and client management needs. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to get the most out of your digital tools. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy bookkeeping.